Finally, Binance has come up with good news for Doge holders, and this is what I'll be talking about in this video. But before coming to it, let's see some important crypto updates. So renowned hedge fund manager Anthony Scaramucci has recently compared Bitcoin's exponential growth to e-commerce behemoth Amazon. In a new interview with CNBC's Squawk Box, the founder of Skybridge Capital asserted that Bitcoin has risen massively in terms of fundamentals over the last year and that the recent drop provides an opportunity for investors to buy on the dip. He further added that if we consider Amazon over the years, Bitcoin is roughly equivalent to Amazon in the year 2000. And talking about Bitcoin's unprecedented growth, he said that a year ago, Bitcoin had 100 million wallets, but now there are approximately 240 million wallets, which is excellent exponential growth. And seeing this, he said that he believes in the long-term potential of Bitcoin. Meanwhile, famous television personality Kevil O'Leary has stated that he is open to investing in cryptos again if regulatory certainty is achieved. So it is quite clear that O'Leary wants financial industry authorities to clarify what is possible and what is not. Additionally, O'Leary argued that cryptos were a sort of software development. As a result, he was considering the long-term viability of the underlying initiatives. In addition, he listed other projects with significant long-term potential, including Solana, Polygon, and Hedera. Now I think that his remarks are critical in the current atmosphere, where we are seeing that a number of countries around the world are striving to establish a clear and robust regulatory framework to manage the rapidly growing crypto industry. And I think that once major countries regulate cryptos, major investors and firms will start exploring this emerging sector. And talking about crypto regulation, the United Kingdom's tax authority, HMRC, has implemented a digital services tax on crypto exchanges operating in the country. As per the official announcement, crypto exchanges will now be subject to a 2% digital services tax in the UK. Now it is important to note here that because the UK tax authority does not classify digital assets as financial instruments, crypto exchanges do not qualify for financial exemptions. So they will now have to face this new tax implementation. While some are seeing this as a blow to the crypto sector, popular opinion has been that this will be a short-term thing. And once the authorities in the UK regulate cryptos, things will get much better for the crypto sector. And on the other hand, Singapore-based crypto exchange Coinstore has entered India at a time when the Indian government is considering banning private crypto. As per the official announcement, Coinstore's $120 million India expansion fund would be used to market, hire, and create crypto-related products and services for the Indian market. So while the Indian government is attempting to outlaw all private cryptos, it is interesting to see how more and more crypto platforms are interested in offering their services in India. And this is a good sign, and such developments will compel the regulators to be lenient towards the crypto sector. And with that being said, let's come to the big update for Dogecoin before I talk about crypto prices and predictions. So Binance has resumed Dogecoin withdrawals after an incident recently when the exchange temporarily prevented operations from Dogecoin's wallets. Users of the world's largest crypto exchange suffered inconveniences when Dogecoin withdrawals were interrupted. Soon after it happened, Binance looked into the deposit and withdrawal operations of Dogecoin and revealed that during an update of Dogecoin's wallet to a new version, 1,634 users had received old transactions and that a series of accidental factors caused the unforeseen issue. The exchange summarized the series of incidents in a blog post. The blog explained that the exchange would now create a new Dogecoin wallet. Binance has also lifted the freeze on Dogecoin withdrawals after conducting comprehensive tests, and now the withdrawal function is fully open for users. Moreover, Binance has announced a planned further upgrade to a 1.14.5 version of the Dogecoin wallet. Now we know that crypto Twitter was abuzz with reports of a quarrel taking place between Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao and Elon Musk, citing their differences as the reason for the interruption in Dogecoin withdrawals. And in this regard, Elon Musk came to Twitter to raise concerns about Doge withdrawals on Binance. Tagging Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, Musk stated that what's going on with Binance's Doge customers. He further added that this situation is sounding shady to him. And soon after Musk's tweet, Binance's official Twitter account responded to him, arguing that there's nothing shady with the issue, and cited their recent tweet stating that the root cause is a technical issue during the recent upgrade process that caused old transactions to be resent to 1,674 users. And talking about this issue, Binance further explained that they have asked those that receive the old transactions to return them, but are aware that select users are having trouble accessing some of the wallets. The firm went on to say that in order to fix the problem, Binance will have to rebuild the wallet entirely, which could take another week or so. However, we know that Elon Musk was not satisfied with Binance's response and continued attacking the exchange, stating that Doge holders using Binance should be protected from errors that are not their fault. Subsequently, Binance CEO Xiao also joined the thread, stating that the problem is related to the latest Doge wallet and they are in communications with the developers. And now, as Binance has resumed Dogecoin withdrawals, Binance's latest blog post has dismissed the conspiracy theories and explained that the accidental event could not have been stage managed. It stated that no one at the exchange was held responsible for the incident, and there was no way that core maintainers of Doge could have predicted the occurrence. And it was an unlikely and unfortunate coincidence for Binance, the Dogecoin network, and Dogecoin holders. So seeing this, I think Doge holders will be in relief now since they can now withdraw their coins. However, it is important to note here that Elon Musk played a key role during this unfortunate event since, without Musk calling out Binance, Doge holders may have to go through this glitch for even more days. Besides, I think that it was right for Musk to point out the mistake of Binance since Doge traders were suffering from withdrawal issues on the exchange. Anyway, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think there was something shady behind this issue? Let me know in the comment section below. And now let's see crypto price analysis, starting with Bitcoin. So after having hovered close to the 54K mark for nearly 3 days straight, Bitcoin has proceeded to make an impressive recovery over the last 24 hours, rising to a relative high of $57,000. Now it appears that Bitcoin's near-term price action will be positive overall. Even though a retest of the 53K resistance is a possibility, a bounce back to the 60K range could also very well be on the cards for Bitcoin over the course of the next few weeks. All in all, there is a strong likelihood that Bitcoin will gain momentum from here and will end this year on a positive note. Meanwhile, Ethereum's price followed Bitcoin's footsteps and has bounced back recently as demand for cryptos resumed. Ethereum is currently trading over $4,300, which is about 7% above the lowest level during the last week. Now we know that Ethereum crashed by almost 15% after setting up a higher high at $4,500. And this downswing allowed Ethereum to penetrate the $3,900 support floor and collect liquidity resting below it. In addition, this bearish move was followed by a tight consolidation which provided a base for a 10% upswing to almost $4,300. Although Ethereum has failed to sweep this hurdle in the last 24 hours, investors can expect it to pierce above this level and make a run at the next ceiling at $4,500. In a bullish case, this run-up could extend to the $4,700 mark, constituting a 10% ascent from its current position. In short, we are currently seeing that, following a difficult phase in November, major cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum are reviving, and as they are leading from the front, other coins will eventually follow suit. And we are actually seeing this for Dogecoin, as Doge is now trading above by almost 2% after falling to the 19 cents mark last week. However, I believe that additional strength is required to reverse the downturn since the danger levels remain intact. And looking at the daily chart, Doge has bottomed at the same support levels from which it bounced several times before reaching there. But this is a good thing for Doge since a similar trend reversal may be sufficient to lift the price out of a downtrend. The data indicate that Dogecoin is testing the 20 cents support level for the third time in a row. However, the critical point is that Dogecoin has entered a high demand area, and it appears as though its price may accelerate quickly from here. The trading volume now appears to have remained stable after the recent fall, with balanced buying and selling pressure, and the probability of a reversal towards the resistance levels of 30 and 34 cents appears to be rather significant. All in all, things are now looking good for Doge, and I'm quite optimistic about it. Anyway, what are your thoughts on this? Where do you think that we are headed from here? Let me know in the comment section below. And now, if we come to the overall crypto market, it has started to show some strength by rising by almost 5% in the last 24 hours, and it is now standing around $2.6 trillion level. Besides, we are currently seeing that, following a difficult time in November, the crypto market is looking to revive in December. And it is critical to note here that the crypto market has historically performed well in December. And if history repeats itself, there is a good chance that the total crypto market will rebound from here and reach new highs. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.